Welcome to Decor, where timeless vintage style meets inspiring home design. Today, we're exploring craft room decorating ideas that encourage creativity while keeping supplies beautifully tidy. Discover charming ways to transform your creative space into an organized retreat filled with warmth, character, and practical beauty. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite craft room ideas. Let's get inspired together. A calming color palette sets the mood for creativity while making the room feel inviting. Soft cream walls, muted sage greens, dusty blues, and warm beige tones create a timeless backdrop that allows colorful craft supplies to stand out without overwhelming the space. Vintage-inspired paint colors also make the room feel relaxing enough for long creative sessions. Replace ordinary plastic containers with glass jars, woven baskets, ceramic crocks, and antique wooden boxes. These beautiful storage solutions keep ribbons, buttons, brushes, threads, and beads neatly organized while becoming decorative elements themselves. Open storage encourages easy access and adds personality to every corner. Choose a sturdy vintage desk or farmhouse table as the centerpiece of the craft room. A spacious work surface provides room for sewing, painting, scrapbooking, or other creative projects, while drawers underneath keep everyday tools close at hand. Pair the workspace with a comfortable chair that supports hours of enjoyable crafting. Install wooden shelves to display neatly arranged craft supplies alongside vintage books, framed artwork, small plants, and treasured collectibles. Keeping favorite materials visible not only makes organization easier but also inspires new ideas every time you enter the room. Carefully styled shelves combine beauty with everyday function. Sorting materials by color and type creates an orderly workspace while adding visual appeal. Fabrics, papers, yarns, paints, and ribbons become part of the room's decor when arranged thoughtfully. This simple system saves valuable time, reduces clutter, and makes every project more enjoyable from start to finish. Incorporate antique cabinets, apothecary drawers, or repurposed dressers to conceal extra supplies while maintaining the room's elegant character. Hidden storage keeps seasonal materials and larger equipment neatly tucked away without sacrificing the room's charming vintage atmosphere. Every piece contributes both style and practicality. Position the main crafting area near large windows whenever possible. Natural daylight improves color accuracy, reduces eye strain, and creates an uplifting environment for creative work. Light linen curtains soften the sunlight while preserving brightness, giving the entire room a fresh and welcoming feel. Decorate empty walls with vintage frames, botanical prints, inspirational quotes, pegboards, or corkboards that display project ideas and creative inspiration. Mixing practical organization with meaningful artwork transforms blank walls into motivating features that reflect your personal style and artistic passion. A craft room should feel as comfortable as it is functional. Add a patterned vintage rug, textured cushions, soft throws, fresh flowers, and warm table lamps to create an inviting atmosphere where creativity flows naturally. These thoughtful details make the room feel like a cherished personal retreat rather than simply a workspace. Arrange scissors, rulers, pens, measuring tapes, and frequently used supplies in attractive organizers placed close to your workstation. Easy access encourages efficient workflows while preventing unnecessary interruptions. A well-planned layout allows you to stay focused on creating instead of searching for missing tools. A beautifully organized craft room blends vintage charm with practical storage, creating a peaceful environment where creativity can flourish every day. By combining thoughtful organization, timeless furnishings, inspiring displays, and cozy decorative accents, your craft space becomes both productive and visually delightful. If you enjoyed these decorating ideas, please subscribe to Decor, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment sharing your favorite craft room inspiration or organization tip. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next decorating adventure.